We had the year-end sale for buy one get one free, which was a great deal. When we arrived, we joined the English-speaking tour with James and we had a great time. Unfortunately, because it was Christmas Day, the factory was not running, so we didn't get to see workers at work. The Foundry workshop was excellent. The teacher gave us clear instructions and we had ample of time to make 3 items to take home. It was an excellent experience and highly recommend it. Really good. Didn't expect a tour at all, but it was included. Getting to know the history behind the famous Royal Selangor pewter was a big bonus. It made the workshop more meaningful and know what you are dealing with. Highly recommend to come as a couple, friends or family. I did both School of Hard Knocks and the Foundry workshops. Foundry workshop allows participants to craft pewter from its molten state with either a ready mold or freehand. Hard Knocks workshop shapes an already flat circular pewter disc into a small bowl, X, for ice cream, also allowing people to stamp their name into the bowl. I thought the entire staff was knowledgeable about the process and was very helpful as I came a bit late, allowed me to join the next tour, also included. Staff responded quickly via WhatsApp as I had a delay due to KL traffic. A technical suggestion for the Foundry workshop is if participants can make their own mold via uploading a picture or something similar. It would have also been nice to know more about more recent developments such as the eco-composite material being developed. A highly recommended activity in Kuala Lumpur. The tour at the visitor center was informative and interesting. The Foundry workshop was amazing. We've got to make our own 3 pieces. This workshop is so cool. You get to put your name on the bowl and make/keep 3 items molded or freestyle. Molded items can be a paperweight, keychain or necklace. Freestyle is your imagination. Lunch was great. Fully recommend. This was so fun. I'm KL born and raised, so this review is genuine and free of touristic bias/awe, just a local rediscovering some heritage spots with newfound appreciation. A genuinely really creative and unique experience. You can bring home 3 pieces in the end, but get to play around and make as many pieces as you like freehand or in a mold during the session. The instructor helps show you everything and helps you to file down, cut, or repair any breaks or wonky edges on your piece to help perfect it at the end. As an annoying indecisive perfectionist, I always struggle to get creative projects/crafts finished on time in workshops like these, but for once I didn't feel short of time. Being able to simply drop any messed up pieces back into the Foundry with 0 waste and start over offered such pressure relief. All the staff and artisans on hand at Royal Selangor are so knowledgeable and have great energy and humor. The tour of the museum and factory were lovely, and it was wonderful to see such a strong, artistic, expert female workforce of artisans. The gift shop at the end was beautiful too and felt like a second museum to explore. Thank you Royal Selangor for such a great visit. Smile.